This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the Telegram bot and obtaining both tokens. Use BotFather to create the bot and copy the Telegram token, then sign up at OpenAI and secure an API key. Once done, choose hosting. A VPS for uptime, local dev for testing, or serverless for scale, and confirm port access or a reverse proxy. Make sure your environment has Node or Python installed, and that you've set environment variables for both tokens so you can begin wiring the two services. Next, wire Telegram to the OpenAI API. Install the Telegram SDK and the OpenAI client, then implement a message handler that receives updates, extracts the user text, and calls the API with prompt context and parameters like temperature and max tokens. Once you receive the model output, format it for Telegram and send it back. Then configure a webhook for production or use polling for development. Remember, webhooks require HTTPS, so use a certificate or a secure tunnel like ngrok during testing. Finish by hardening and validating the integration. Add retry logic, error handling, and rate limiting to protect both your API quota and the bot. Persist chat context if you want multi-turn conversations, and redact or limit user inputs to manage cost. Once deployed, monitor logs and usage metrics, set alerts for quota thresholds, and test with real users. If things break, check token validity, webhook reachability, and API diagnostics first. Those are the most common failure points to inspect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.